The death toll in the disastrous railway accident in Orissa has increased to 288 and rescue operations at the site have been completed. Over 200 ambulances, 50 buses and 45 mobile health units were working at the accident site besides 1,200 personnel. The bodies were being taken to the hospitals in all kinds of vehicles, including tractors. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik has ordered statewide mourning for a day. PM Narendra Modi will visit the train accident site and meet the injured people at hospitals in Cuttack. The Indian Railways have initiated a high-level probe into the train accident. Railways also added that the anti-train collision system coverage was not available on the route.